Installing apps on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G is easy, and all you need is to ensure that you have a Google account added to your phone, and then you want to go into the Play Store, and then if it's your first time using the Play Store, you're going to go through this tutorial. Simply tap on Get Started, ensure you have internet connection on your phone, and once you get to this page, simply tap on Search and find the app that you want to install by tapping on the search button and then typing it in. And then you want to tap on the app install, or you can tap on the app to see more information and then tap on install, and the app is going to be installed onto your phone. So once it's downloaded, it's now going to be installed, and once the installation is complete, you can now tap on open or simply go back into the app drawer and you should find your app now installed on your phone just like that. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care and God bless.